Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt like your body just doesn't want to move? You open your eyes. The room is quiet. The sun is slowly rising outside. But instead of feeling refreshed, you feel heavy. Your arms feel weak. Your legs feel tired. Even getting out of bed feels like a small battle. If you are over 60, this feeling may sound very familiar. Many seniors wake up every morning wondering the same thing. Why do I feel so weak when I wake up? Some people think it's just normal aging. Others believe they simply didn't sleep well. But what if your body is actually trying to tell you something important? The truth is, morning weakness in seniors is extremely common, but it is often misunderstood. And ignoring it can slowly affect your energy, your balance, your mood, and even your independence. Imagine starting your day feeling strong, steady, and energized instead of slow and exhausted. Imagine waking up without that heavy feeling in your body. For many seniors, this small change can completely transform the quality of their life. But before we talk about how to fix it, we first need to understand why it happens in the first place. Because in many cases, the cause is something simple that most people never notice. And once you understand it, you can start changing it today. One of the biggest reasons seniors feel weak after waking up is something called overnight dehydration. While you sleep, your body continues working. Your heart is pumping, your brain is active, and your body is repairing cells. But during those 6 to 8 hours of sleep, you are not drinking any water. For younger people, this usually isn't a big problem. But as we age, our bodies naturally hold less water. Our sense of thirst also becomes weaker. That means many seniors wake up slightly dehydrated without even realizing it. Even mild dehydration can make you feel tired, dizzy, and weak in the morning. Your muscles may feel stiff. Your head may feel foggy. Your energy may feel low. And the strange thing is, many people blame aging when the real issue could simply be that their body needs water. Another reason morning weakness happens is because of low blood sugar. During the night, your body uses stored energy to keep everything running. But by the time morning arrives, those energy levels can drop. If dinner was very early, Now let's talk about something very important that many seniors never realize. The way you start your morning can actually determine how your entire body feels for the rest of the day. Many people wake up, sit up quickly, stand up fast, and immediately begin moving around. But after the age of 60, the body needs a gentler transition from sleep to activity. Your muscles, joints, circulation, and nervous system have all been resting for several hours. If you rush the process, your body may respond with weakness, dizziness, or fatigue. But when you start your morning the right way, something amazing happens. Your body slowly wakes up, circulation improves, muscles activate, and energy begins to return. That's why the first powerful habit is something incredibly simple: hydration. Before coffee, before breakfast, before checking your phone or turning on the television, your body needs water. Remember earlier when we talked about overnight dehydration? Your body may have gone 6 to 8 hours without fluids. Drinking a glass of water within the first few minutes of waking up can help restore circulation, support muscle function, and improve energy levels. Many seniors report that this one simple change makes their mornings feel completely different. Instead of feeling sluggish, they begin to feel more alert and balanced. But hydration works even better when combined with the second powerful habit: gentle morning movement. This does not mean intense exercise. In fact, the goal is the opposite. Slow, controlled movements can help your body transition out of sleep safely. Before even getting out of bed, try slowly moving your ankles, stretching your arms, and gently bending your knees. These small movements wake up your muscles and encourage blood flow throughout the body. Then sit on the edge of your bed for about 20 to 30 seconds before standing. This gives your circulation time to adjust and reduces that sudden weak or dizzy feeling many seniors experience. Doctors often recommend this technique for older adults who who feel unstable in the morning. It's simple, safe, and extremely effective. But there's another powerful habit that can make a big difference in morning strength. Nutrition. Your body needs fuel after a full night of fasting. If you skip breakfast or eat something very low in nutrients, your energy levels may stay low for hours. A balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and slow-digesting carbohydrates can help stabilize blood sugar and support muscle strength. Foods like eggs, oatmeal, yogurt, nuts, or whole grains can provide steady energy for the morning. This doesn't need to be a large meal. Even a small, balanced breakfast can help your body feel stronger. Now let's talk about a simple routine that takes less than 1 minute, but can help many seniors start the day with more stability. When you wake up, take a slow, deep breath and give your body a moment before moving. Then gently rotate your ankles and stretch your arms for about 10 seconds. Next, sit up slowly and place your feet on the floor. Pause there for about 20 seconds. During this moment, your circulation adjusts, your muscles wake up, and your body prepares to stand. Then stand up slowly and take a few relaxed steps. This short routine may sound almost too simple. Many seniors who follow this gentle start notice fewer dizzy spells, better balance, and more confidence when moving in the morning. Another important tip doctors often mention is improving nighttime habits. Because the way you sleep affects how you feel when you wake up. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time helps your body maintain a healthy rhythm. Limiting caffeine late in the evening and reducing screen time before bed can also improve sleep quality. Better sleep allows the body to repair muscles, regulate hormones, and restore energy. And when the body repairs properly during the night, mornings feel much easier. But there is something even deeper behind this conversation. Morning weakness is not just about muscles or hydration. For many seniors, it can slowly affect confidence. When your body feels weak or unstable, you may begin avoiding activities you once enjoyed. You may walk less, move less, and slowly become more dependent on others. But strength and independence do not disappear overnight. They change gradually based on daily habits. Small choices repeated every day shape how the body ages. A glass of water, a few gentle stretches, a balanced breakfast, better sleep. These simple actions may look small, but together they help your body stay active and resilient. Feeling weak in the morning does not mean your best days are behind you. Your body is incredibly adaptable, even after 60. With the right habits, many seniors regain energy, improve balance, and feel more confident in their daily life. Even small improvements can bring noticeable changes in how you feel each morning. And if this video helped you understand why morning weakness happens and how to start improving it, take a moment to support the channel. Tap the like button so more seniors can discover these helpful health tips. Subscribe for more simple advice that helps people stay strong, healthy, and independent after 60. And if you know a parent, friend, or loved one who often wakes up feeling weak or tired, share this video with them. Because sometimes one small piece of information can make a big difference in someone's daily life. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health, and we'll see you in the next video.